$997, $998, $999, $1,000. Just finished 1,000 overhead presses with my new LEVOIT Cordless vacuum cleaner. Now,
really easy because it's so lightweight.
It's very easy. Anyone can do it because it's extremely lightweight. Extremely lightweight. Also extremely effective. This thing's flying off the shelves on Amazon. It's selling over 30,000 units per month, which is insane, and it's getting extremely high reviews. So it's extremely effective, very easy to use. Press the power button to turn it on. It's going. To speed it up, I'm going to press this again. Press this. That's speed 2. That's speed 3. And as you can see, it's already picked up a lot of stuff, but we can vacuum on the rug right here, and it's picking up tons of stuff on the rug. And you can also just switch and go straight to the hardwood floor. Don't have to do anything. Has the lights on the front to make sure you're, if there's anything you miss, it'll see it. And that does come in handy. So that's pretty sweet. Let's see. All right, let's take this apart. Actually, before we even do that, here's the charging cable it comes with. Plug that in right here. And then you're going to plug this into the wall, and it gives you a total of 50 minutes of runtime. You've also got these attachments where you got this. You can turn it on. You can you could get up in the corner up there. You could vacuum right here. And you could also lengthen this to do that. Got this attachment. Can go get in here. A lot of people use this in the car as well. Got the mounting hardware. You can mount it to the wall. Pretty sweet. Got very minimal hardware, very minimal vibe. Oh, crap. But I see why everyone's buying it. Flying off the shelves. Super easy to use. Super effective. Highly recommend.